Hello friends, assalamu alaikum and welcome to my new video. Friends, what I am going to tell you in this video is very much interesting because in this video I am going to tell you strange discoveries on Google Earth. So friends, let's get start our video without any delay. First one is sprawling swastika. Scientists discovered more than 50 geoglyphs across northern Kazakhstan in Central Asia, including this swastika-shaped design. Through the swastika symbol was created from timber. Many of the geoglyphs were made of earthen mounds. The geoglyphs seems to date back 2000 years. At that time, swastika were not uncommon across Europe and Asia, and were not, of course, affiliated with any political belief. And the next one is island in the lake. The Google Earth image is an eyeful and a mouthful, as it's an island in a lake on an island. Yes, Google Earth captured this image showing a tiny island that resides inside a crater lake on an island called Volcano Island in a lake called Tal Lake on the Philippine island of Luzon. For years, apparently, this phenomenon was thought to be the largest of its kind spied by Google Earth. However, it's turned out that accolade goes to a 4-acre split of land in northern Canada, where no human has likely stepped foot. And the next strange thing is bullseye. One type of these wheels in the Middle East look like a bullseye, with 3 triangles pointing toward the eye, and small piles of stone leading from the triangle toward the bullseye wheel. David Kennedy of the University of Western Australia, who co-directed the project, call it a central bullseye tomb with, in this case, 3 triangles, each with at least a part of a stone sheet running to the center. And our last one is mysterious pyramid. The image of Google Earth shows an anomaly that some believe could be an excavated pyramid. Dozens of anomalies in Egypt have been detected using Google Earth in the past 5 years. However, there is a debate as to whether they represent natural feature or artificial structures. More excavating are needed, but the security and economic condition in Egypt has limited the number and size of excavations. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. Comment us the strange thing discovered on Google Earth. We will meet in next video. For that, take care.